You anoint my head with oil. Every tear you turn to joy. My cup overflows. Overflows. I was empty, dry like summer sand. Then your mercy poured right through my hands. You found me hiding, heart so scared to try. Now your blessing raining from the sky.
I remember nights I felt alone. Then you whisper, "Child, I call you home."
You wrapped your arms around my broken soul. Turn my ashes into finest gold. I am nothing,
I am nothing, I am nothing on my own.
but with you I'm
Forever chosen, in your love I find my home.
You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. You keep filling up my life till everybody knows.
Every breath I breathe is yours.
Every heartbeat shows
I am nothing, yet in you
my cup overflows.